Southwest used to be held up as an example of a company that put people before profits. They were concerned about their employees. They cared about their customers. They cared about how they did business and not just how they made money. So what the hell is going on over there in Dallas, Texas? Open seating is gone. Rapid Rewards earnings have been cut for ticket purchases. Free check bags are gone. Employees are being laid off. The concepts that made Southwest Airlines unique and gave them their heart are disappearing before our eyes. I'm not going to dive into why these changes are happening. Could it be connected to the change in leadership among shareholders? Sure. Could it be in response to declining revenue? Sure. Could it be a number of different reasons, individual or combined? Sure. What I am concerned with is how these changes are going to affect you and me. Although I think most of Southwest's changes have been negative, I will give them credit for their new partnership with Icelandair. The addition of an international partner will open up more possibilities for people flying Southwest, especially for those who use points to fly, like me. Hello. That partnership was welcome news, if only it wasn't tempered by so many other changes that I don't like. The first change we heard about was the end of open seating. Southwest used to credit their open seating policy with lowering their turnaround time, making their flights more efficient, and cutting overhead. But I guess that's not true. Or they think they can increase revenue by charging increased fees for different seat types, like every other carrier. I can't say that open seating was my favorite part of the Southwest experience, but I found it an acceptable trade-off for the value I found in my ticket. When they first made the announcement, I thought, okay, I can live with that. However, I was concerned about the implications for booking flights on points. Since Southwest's point value is tied to ticket price, you'll almost always get 1.4 cents per point. I expect to see the point cost of seats rise in relation to the different seating categories. There will still be affordable fares, but there will be less of them. We'll see a decrease in available seats at a low price point. A larger percent of a flight will be dedicated to more premium seats. Even if Southwest maintains their current point value, we'll need more points to book the same flight. Then came the announcement that Southwest would be introducing dynamic pricing for reward flights, and I threw my hands up with a big ol' what the fuck. They announced changes to how purchasing tickets will earn Rapid Rewards points. The cheapest Southwest fare, the Wanna Get Away fare, used to earn $6 per point. Now it earns 2. The next step up, Wanna Get Away Plus, went from 8 to 6 points per dollar. Anytime fares remained the same at 10 points per dollar, and business select fares actually went up from 12 to 14 points per dollar. It's a huge difference that probably won't affect me much. I'm not paying cash for seats, so I'm not worried about earning points that way. Based on principle, I think the cut to earning rates sucks. Practically though, I don't see the cut to earning rates affecting me or anyone else who's booking with points. The most common fare purchased on Southwest Airlines is the cheapest Wanna Get Away ticket, and now is only earning a third of what it used to. That's a huge difference. They're even moving away from the name Wanna Get Away and calling it Basic Economy fare. That's just going to mean the opportunity for additional charges as they piecemeal everything that used to be standard into add-ons. They'll hide behind quotes like providing more customer choice, but it's a money grab. Then came the final dagger. No more free check bags. This one hurt. This family of 5 needs to check a bag or two. Now it's not like we're checking 10 bags, but we took advantage of this nearly every time we flew. And yeah, I think about baggage fees every time I book a flight. I couldn't be more disappointed in these changes, but let me know how you feel about them. Do you even care? Are you going to stop flying Southwest? Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. Well, that's it everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can keep making the best use of your credit cards. Until next time, safe travels.